Hi, everybody. I'm just here visiting you from the great beyond to give you your instructions for today. Just to take a quick look at our learning target today, it's I can analyze Chin-Key's character. And for those of us who don't know, to analyze something means to take it apart and study its pieces. Chin-Key, as we know, is that really offensive, racist stereotype that sort of walks around in the book and haunts Danny. So naturally, this is a really touchy subject for a lot of people, so we need to treat this work with the full seriousness that it deserves. You're going to need, first of all, the worksheet, Chin-Key Character Study Notes. Now, on this document, we're going to first make observations about Chin-Key, things that are stereotypical about him. And then on the reverse side, your job is to sort of, through your research, explain why those stereotypes are untrue or otherwise problematic. So you can find a lot of these stereotypes simply by looking at the panel that I've given you on the top, but also you can think through the book. Think of the many stereotypical things that Chin-Key does and the many stereotypical ways in which he appears. And you're going to list these things under appearance, so things that Chin-Key looks like, and behavior, things that Chin-Key does. Wherever you find those examples, I want you to be sure to include a page number. So if you had something about his appearance from page 5, you would give a little bullet point, write the thing about his appearance, and then give me like a little parenthetical citation. So page 5 is really all you would need to do after that. Beyond that, so once you've identified these appearances and behaviors, we need to access the website, and the website will be found in Google Classroom. It's right here. We're going to sign in to that, and you will find on this website a number of videos that address certain stereotypical things about Chin-Key. For these videos, you're going to need headphones. I have a couple at the front of the room. Please make sure that when you're done with them, you put them back in the bag and put them back up at the front of the room because they belong to the library. But if you have your own headphones, please use those instead. There are also a couple of cartoons and articles that are definitely worth delving into as well. Ideally, you would have 2 stereotypes that you've chosen that you can explain through the videos about why it's untrue or problematic. And you will do that, again, using page numbers. So if you have articles, you're going to use the author's last name and the number of the page from which your information comes. And that's going to be found under here, right? If you use a video, you need to cite the name of the video and the timestamp. And if you need help with that, I can certainly help you with that when I get back. But I'm hoping that it's kind of obvious for most people. You, of course, list the stereotypes that you refer to here. Finally, this says race paragraph at the bottom here, but you'll notice the papers that you have don't actually have this section. But this is the question that is going to be posted back in Google Classroom. So in what ways is Chin-Key an offensive portrayal of people of Asian descent? Give 2 specific examples from the chart above and explain why they are untrue or misleading from our class discussions, videos, and articles. Basically, you're taking this chart that we've done up here and you're just synthesizing it, turning it into a nice flowy paragraph. I want to remind everybody that this is supposed to be individual work, that the paragraph for this is due at the end of the period. And also just a quick reminder that discussion we had at the end of class yesterday, I really, really wish I could be there for this because it's such an important topic, but we need to be on our best behavior and to be treating this with the full maturity that it deserves. All right. Happy writing, I guess. Is that what I'm trying to, I don't know. Anyway, good luck. And yeah, we will talk about this when I get back.